Hey guys, John Knutson here with Knutson Consulting. Wanted to show you a cool little trick today called reformatting. When we have USB thumb drives or external hard drives, sometimes we need to perform what's called a reformat on these drives to help wipe the memory clean and start over. Essentially, what we're telling the drive is to forget about the past and start right now. Say we're done with a big project and we don't need these files anymore. This is a perfect time to reformat the drive to start it over to factory settings. And so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's real easy. We're going to look for a program called Disk Utility, which is found in Applications under Utilities, but can also be found in Spotlight, which is the little magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner. The shortcut for Spotlight is Command Spacebar, and we just type in Disk Utility, and about halfway through it's going to find it for us. Just click Enter, and that will open up. On the left-hand side, Disk Utility is going to show us all of the drives that are connected to this computer. So I, of course, have the internal hard drive, which is a 500 gigabyte Western Digital drive. And then I have a 1 terabyte and a 250 gigabyte external hard drive. And then I have my little keychain USB thumb drive that today I want to reformat. We're going to select that drive, the topmost option for that drive, and click on the option Erase. And this is going to give us two options. It's going to tell us what sort of format it's going to perform, and it's also going to give us an option to name the drive. And so for today's purposes, we're going to call it Reformat. The options in the format of how you want to format the drive, they give you a handful of them. For most Mac users, you just want to use Mac OS Extended Journaled. There's no real reason to go into the other types unless you're kind of more of an advanced user. The only other option is if you're using this thumb drive or external drive with Windows machines on a regular basis, then you may want to select the MS-DOS option so that Windows will be able to connect with this selected drive a little bit more easier. But I don't believe in Windows. So Mac OS Extended it is. And then we just simply click Erase. Now, this screen is telling us to be sure that we want to do this. To be sure that we have backed up any files, because what it is about to do is it is about to tell the drive to forget everything it's ever known and start from this point on. And that is exactly what I want it to do. So we're going to click Erase. It's going to unmount the disk, take the permissions away from the user. It's going to reformat, and then it's going to remount the disk back on the desktop so that I can use it. This is a super helpful tip when it comes to large drives. Maybe you inherited a drive from your parents, or maybe you bought a brand new drive and it's got all this free software on it that you don't want. Jump into Disk Utility, do a full reformat. You'll have a brand new drive with nothing, absolutely nothing on it. And when you're all done, it'll appear on the desktop, or of course in Finder. We can just kind of double check on that, make sure there's nothing there, and we're good to go. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time. Take care.